Hello everyone, welcome to LuLu Cook, or if you want to make it sound a little funnier, as some of my brothers and my friends suggested, why don't you name your YouTube channel Grandma LuLu Kitchen, since you look like a granny. Unfortunately, I'm not that old to be called a granny, but today we're gonna make a very delicious and simple dish called egg roll. Now, egg roll is more like an appetizer, serving with fried rice, fried noodles, or curry. And we're gonna go over the ingredients together in a moment. Okay. Also, cleared up where the mopa pipu de mude qua go demo, the niai become asko, the mila egg roll na meta or a nina put a card on all wheat and a quascola a bear. It get delicious ma awe pagkuata puta lila palu balle pakama egronimlana. You will need 2 cups of shredded carrot, 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage, the babukol, 2 cups of glass noodles. Soak them in the water about 15 to 20 minutes before use and cut them into a shorter length. Give it a jaza, Natula Tikla, Aminate Shiamine, the laminate kishi, the clonatuba, the tepula. Half a pound of ground chicken, chonya ye, rice flour, bukumu, 2 eggs yolk, chari the koba keeper, egg roll, rice paper, egg roll abe, 1 tablespoon of granulated chicken flavored soup base mix. I give it a chocomo. It's gonna look like this. Half a tablespoon of ground pepper, mugurigamu, a teaspoon of salt, ether, and you will definitely need sweet and chili sauce for the egg roll. And now we are finished with our egg roll, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, family member, and also feel free to leave any comments or suggestions of what I should improve on my next video. Until next time, LuLu is out. Love Lu.